Setting up your Vizio Smart TV D series for the first time is exciting, but attaching the stand can feel a bit tricky if you've never done it before. When you open the box, you'll usually find the TV, two stand legs, and a small packet of screws, but it's not always immediately clear which piece goes where or how to secure everything properly. Placing the TV incorrectly or tightening the screws the wrong way can make the stand unstable, which is the last thing you want when setting up a brand new screen. The key is to take it step by step and make sure everything is aligned before tightening anything down. Once installed correctly, the stand will keep your TV stable and ready for safe use on any flat surface. Try these. Step 1. Carefully place your TV screen face down on a soft, flat surface like a blanket or foam. Step 2. Identify the left and right stand legs. Step 3. Align each stand leg with the correct slot at the bottom of the TV. Step 4. Insert the provided screws into the holes and start tightening them. Step 5. Make sure both legs are firmly secured and evenly attached. Step 6. Lift the TV upright and place it carefully on a stable surface.